Hi, I'm Audra DeSorbo. I'm one of the school counselors here at Western Harnett High School. Welcome to Western. Wanted to let you know that guidance will be conducting conferences by phone or email until further notice. You can schedule these conferences with your child's counselor, and I'm going to let you know how to access that. So at the top of the school webpage, there's a school counseling tab. Over here for the guidance homepage, this lists the guidance department staff. There's a listing of the counselors and the last names for students that they cover, along with the email address and extension number. So you can get that information there. Please feel free to email or call us anytime. We always try to be very good about responding back to our parents and students. Also, if you have questions about driver's ed paperwork or general enrollment processes, you would need to contact Miss Freitas, our registrar. Here is her information, or our data manager is Miss Powers. If you need any other information, we actually post lots of information here regularly. Under the General Guidance Information tab, there is a link for the counselor request form for students here, and there is also the code to our guidance Google Classroom. Please join our Google Classroom. We post stuff there all the time. And again, if you have questions, please let us know. We're always glad to help. So we're looking forward to a great school year and hope to see you virtually soon. Bye.